Hi, my name is Patrick, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to book a client from the waitlist. There are two ways to book a client from the waitlist. The first way is by clicking on any empty time slot on the calendar and click Schedule from Waitlist. And the second way is by clicking the Waitlist button in the top right corner. To book a client from the waitlist directly from the calendar, just click Schedule from Waitlist. From here, you can select the practitioner as well as the day and time you would like to fill. And if a client meets this criteria, you can go ahead and book them by clicking Book. From here, you will complete this process like you normally would, and when you're ready, click Save and Close. A few things to note about booking a client from the waitlist directly from the calendar. If you don't have any clients on your waitlist, you're not going to see the option to schedule from the waitlist. And also, if you want to fill a time that isn't available to any of your clients on the waitlist, you're not going to see the option to schedule from the waitlist. For example, the client we have on our waitlist is only available from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., but we can see here our practitioner is trying to fill a time for 8 a.m., and that option is not available to schedule them from the waitlist. The second way to schedule a client from the waitlist is by clicking the waitlist button in the top right corner. And similarly, we can select the practitioner as well as the day and the time. And if a client meets this criteria, you're going to see them here. And to book the appointment, just click Book. And once everything looks good, click Save and Close. So this is how you can book a client from the waitlist in ClinicSense. I do hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@clinicsense.com.